Good morning, everyone. Today we will finalize this section, refraction. Okay, so last time we talked about this paragraph. Objects appear in different positions due to refraction. We said that the cat sees the fish closer than it really is because it receives this refracted ray. And always, girls, to put in your mind this rule: objects appear to be in line with the observed rays. So this is the observed ray, so the object should appear in line with this observed ray. Okay, for the fish, so for the fish to see the cat, the fish receives this ray, so the object should appear in line with this observed ray. Okay, because we said girls, always the brain believes that this ray has traveled in straight line, so the object appears in line with the observed ray. We think that this is the source and not this the source. Okay, so we call these virtual images. Okay, so also we talked about, girls, index of refraction. We said n is equal to the speed of light in vacuum, which is c, divided by the speed of light in a medium, in the substance that we are talking about, which is v. Okay, here we have another equation to follow. Okay, for example, in case you have the indices of refraction of both media, for example air and water. For example, the light is going from air to water, and you have the index of refraction of air and water, and you have the angle of incidence. What means angle of incidence? The angle between the incident ray and the normal. And they ask you to find the angle of refraction. What is the angle of refraction? It is the angle between the refracted ray in water, for example, between the refracted ray and the normal. So in this case, when they ask you to find this angle, you will follow here Snell's law. So what is a Snell's law? Snell's law, it gave us here a relationship between indices of refraction, index of refraction of the first medium and the index of refraction of the second medium, and between angles, the angle of incidence and the angle of refraction. So here, girls, it's very important to know how to determine the first medium and the second. Okay, because Ni, it refers to the medium in which we have the incident ray, the ray is coming. Okay, and Nr, it refers to the medium in which we have the refracted ray. Okay, so this equation is very important. We have